Nice turning after the green arrow, BC.
Because together, our promise.
Wait, are you trying to get over, or? No, you just don't realize your signal's on? You don't realize.
McDonald Avenue, northwest. Then turn left.
Really, bro?
The videos after and was like, no.
You've arrived at your destination.
Okay, you can't leave us hanging here.
You're not even signaling.
Helps you discover you're an amazing singer.
Well, first I started singing like the Alvin and the Chipmunk song, like the...
In 300 meters, exit right. Red light camera reported ahead.
Oh, frig, I should not have entered the intersection. Although the guy behind me also entered the intersection. Oh, this... Nice block in the intersection, Canada Post.
Mortgage a home.
No wonder it didn't last very long. Really?
That's, well, you know what, though? I mean, I guess that's not uncommon.
Fresh.com.
Hello, I'm Stephen McIntosh of Optics International, and honestly, what better way to make something you don't really want to do a little less painful? Make it unbelievably affordable. This
Whatever. They'll get us down. They'll cut the cable or something.
Oh, nice signal.
It's on now.
Turn right on 112th Street northwest.
Green arrow, buddy.
Like you were an angel. Can I stop the flow of time? Or can I swim in your divine?
What are you doing? You're on the wrong side of the road. Impatient idiot. Is this... Nope, you can't do that now. Maybe you should pay more attention to the road rather than whatever is around the general area of your crotch.
Family-friendly buffet in West Edmonton Mall. Hi, you guys. Let's talk skincare routines. Every night I use Lancome's Genifique Serum and their Absolute BX Cream I got at Hudson's Bay.
Pretty sure I stopped before you did.
It's the perfect time to get Lancome's fall gift. Stay to the right to east, White Mud Drive.
That's not legal there.
go. Oh yeah, so can we pretend that I'm 22 today, dancing on the tables with you? Oh yeah, can we?
We're talking about, the big moment, the pivotal moment in your life when you transition from kid to adult.
Juliana from Evansdale messaged in at 5678.
Turn left on Windermere Boulevard Southwest.
Man, why do people just keep cutting off oncoming traffic here?
All over the laundry room. My little 5-year-old cousin is...
Like we're just friends. I don't even want to get a drink in the West End. When you want to dance, how you feeling the tension? Take a couple shots and see what...
Good thing I'm not going straight, because you're going to run the stop sign. Yep. What are you doing? Did you just decide not to turn left or something?
And then he just fired up the chainsaw, and then that's when you knew it was not a helpful comment.
Yeah, get out of the way, pedestrian.
I don't have to do anything, which would be very nice. This text says we do Whiskey Wednesday.
Turn right on
at our
89th
house.
Avenue Northwest.
I like that one as well. Maybe we could combine, we could do the Whiskey Wednesday for the Ginger Night, and then it was also
It's called a
February
sidewalk.
night.
Feel
So
free to
whether,
use it.
You know, the kids are eating off the brick of cheese.
You've arrived at your destination. Turn left to Highway 2 North, Gateway Boulevard.